Hello, kindergarten. Happy Monday. Last week in phonics, we learned about deleting the beginning sound in a word. Well, we're going to do some more of that today. So, when I'm going to say the word horse. Now I'm going to say the word horse. What did I do? I took away the first sound. Yes. So, I am going to say a word, and we can hear, when I say a word, we can hear the first sound, can't we? Yes. So, I am going to say horse again. Horse. What is the first sound in the word horse? The first sound in the word horse is h. Okay. Now, I'm going to say the word horse without the first sound. Horse. All right, let's try another one. Say cat. Cat. The first sound is k. Nice job. Now, I want you to say cat without the k. What do we have left without the k? We have the word at. Sometimes, kindergarten, when we take away the first sound in a word, we have a made-up word such as horse. But sometimes when we take away the first sound in a word, we have a real word like at. Today, with whoever you're working with, they are going to tell you a word, and you are going to tell them the word without the first sound. Now, some of those words that you tell them, they will be made-up words, and some of them will be real words. Have fun, and I'll see you on Friday.